In 2017, World Bank indicated that by 2022, Zambia's overall financial inclusion rates will increase from 59% to 80% and an increase in formal financial inclusion from 38% by then to 70%. Following enhancement in financial inclusion, Mwanjala is a company based in Lusaka, Zambia, seeking to connect buyers and sellers with proper delivery lanes and digital payment integrations. It seeks to enhance e-commerce through integration with mobile money and bank cards. It started as a social network connecting friends, but with growing community, it is now adding value-added services in form of e-commerce. Mwanjala interacted with high people on Google Meet to brainstorm on how their digital financial services can do better to include everyone.
We have advertising revenue coming in as well as, yes?
Let's look at entities. Let's say you've talked about businesses. So how many businesses are on board?
Currently, we've targeted the one province in the country, that's in the Copperbelt province, because that's where most of the team is. So we have two TV stations there, a radio network as well, and a few independent wholesalers that sell their products on the website.
So Mwanjala has advantages. One, it's open source. It goes with the community and it is free. The code is free for use, but still, you as Mwanjala, you may be able to develop a certain logic that other digital service financial providers do not have, and it will be welcome to Mwanjala as part of the API or a plugin. So we have interoperability where we have other digital service financial providers on the same board. We can exclude financial monopoly if other digital service financial providers are on board. It means you won't have special requests to a particular service provider of your preference.
Messaging platform. They have ads there as well as communication as well as the payment aspect also coming in. So we were thinking more of that. I mean, that's for the long term, but I feel like this is fine. We have a shared open source and the security. It's fine, really. I think that could work as well, especially with using blockchain technology for this, so we should be fine.
Today has been the 29th day of the 40 Days 40 Fintechs project organized by High People.
40 Days 40 Fintechs is running across Africa, and we're very happy to have Mwanjala on board. Mwanjala is in Zambia, that is down the African continent. If you go to Zambia, retailers are still running liquid cash. So financial players need to get in connection with the retailers. So Mwanjala is providing a solution to make sure that financial players and retailers are on board to make sure they serve that final consumer of their goods. So Mwanjala is still a young company. They were created in 2020. But I can assure you that this is a way for Africa, and they're already taking over down there in Zambia, and they are in the 40 Days 40 Fintechs to shine a prime story. The fact that there are very many customers down there in Zambia, and each customer, in fact, Mwanjala say that down there most of the people are still using USSD. Yet there are also companies down there, and they are global banks that are in the South African corner. So Mwanjala will be able to allow all these people come onto the same ecosystem to enable financial exchange, better financial inclusion stories. If all the people who are already on their mobile wallets, their mobile money accounts, can be able to exchange even through the banks, because most of the companies are within banks. So if they can extend the transaction to their final consumer, so it will be better for Mwanjala to come on board with Mwanjala and be able to ensure that most of the final customers get their donations to their respective numbers and their preferred communication networks for mobile money. Same for the banks and micro institutions. Most of the Zambians are also borrowers in microfinance institutions, and this will be all in the same ecosystem with Mwanjala.
Rita Kabanyoro, Smart 24.